Oh my gosh, did you see this couple?
Oh my gosh, I know.
All right, class, today we're gonna keep working on Superhero 101. We'll be discussing your powers and how you can use them in the world.
Good morning, class. This is your new student, Spencer, and he's a very special kid.
Dude, no, I look good in it. What are you talking
All right,
about?
class, let's all say hi to Spencer.
Bye, Spencer.
Okay, let's make sure that we make Spencer feel really welcomed in our class today.
What makes him so special anyways?
Well, it all started when...
Oh, my water broke!
You're doing great. One more push, you can do it.
Ah! I'm not ready for a kid! Ah!
Oh yeah.
Sorry, not that far. It all started about 8 months ago. I started noticing just small things. Then, of course, it got to my head, and I started taking advantage of it. But in the end, I decided to use my powers for the good.
Whoa, I can only shapeshift into a lamp. Ugh. Bink! Turn it off!